English, yes. Okay. Now it's perfect now. So going to my YouTube studio. So I have to close the all window tab here. Okay, closing here. Yeah. Okay. We have zero content here. We have to go to settings first. Our channel. So we have to here our country, United States. Here we have selected. We can using here keywords for our gaming channel. Okay. Here's my gaming channel. Okay. Gaming. Okay. I have love GTA 5 gaming. So I have to here GTA. Sorry. It's okay. We have mistake here. So gaming GTA V. Sorry, GTA V. Also, we have used to GTA 5. Okay, now I can use Grand Theft Auto. Okay, now I can use again Grand Theft Auto 5. Okay, now we can use here like Forza, FOR, Forza. So alright, Horizon 5 or like Forza is Horizon 4. Also, you can I can use here the Spider-Man. Okay, SPIDER Spider-Man. Also, I can do more things. Gaming videos. Also, I can add here. Oh, it's like my channel name, Danger Gaming. Also, I type Danger. Okay, it's mistake. Okay, done. Okay, I am using here GTA Vice City. Also, I am using here Vice City. Now, few more other things here to do, like it's like many other games here. It's series like Need for Speed, like Raft, gameplay, like GTA, parkour, like car driving, like car race, like car racing. Or more other things here I have to do. Oh man, I have done like a 500 of 263. So I have completed the 500 here because okay, it's racing. RACING racing also. Also, I have to know PC gameplay. Also, I have to turn here. Uh, to PC gameplay also. I have to mention here PS4, PS5 gameplay.